So we're at J&D Campground here in Pennsylvania. This is a creek that's right next to it. You see some of the RV down there on the creek. This is the fishing pond at the campground. Got a nice pavilion over here. Nice clean park. Probably one of the cleaner parks we've been to. I think we said that on our last camping trip, but this one's pretty clean too. And there's no road noise. It's kind of nice. Here's the pool. 4.5 to 3 feet down there. Got the laundry room over here. Nice clean laundry room. Playground over here. It's one of them. There's 2 playgrounds. Volleyball courts back there, basketball courts. I guess they have church in here 10:30 in the morning. Sunday morning, people are going to be pulling out today, I'm sure. This is the main drive coming into the park. So you'll come down this drive. That's the office right there in front of us, and this is the entrance coming into it. Really nice trees, bunch of oak trees, really nice. Oh, I got putt-putt golf up here.
There's a side road.
This is the exit. There's the office over there. Nice big pavilion. Probably can't zoom in on that much more. We'll get closer later.
This is a site here.
So, mystery solved. Where the J and J&D came from. Clinton Jones. Founded in 1970. That was before we were born.
1 year.
Nice little garden area. Next to the bathrooms here. Here's the basketball courts. Volleyball over there. Shuffleboard, or whatever they call that. They call it something. Anyway, nice park. Nice clean park. Good size, a lot of campsites. The sites are fairly good size too. There's some that are really big and some that are on top of each other. But so this is the entrance. There's the office registration. Very cool place. Very nice. Family campground. And there's Ann. She's out here trying to pick up sticks. Or she's looking for a blower to get the leaves off. So as it turns out, we have already been to this state park overlooking the river here. I think it's the Shikellamy State Park in Pennsylvania. Yeah, we came up here and then I think we hiked down, I think this park down here. We hiked over there. I think we were looking for a boat rental, weren't we?
A what?
A boat rental place? I think is what we were doing.
They had mentioned some on the road.
But yeah, real pretty out here. So this is a part of our camping trip that we're doing. So we'll throw this in the video. But yeah, this is about 30 minutes from camp. So not too far from J&D Campground. Very pretty. Beautiful day out here too. 72, 73, something like that right now. Really pretty. Looks like it. Another vantage point a little further down. There's one of those lantern flies. See it?
Let's kill them. There's two of them.
Down here at the marina on the river. I guess they have boat rentals out here too. You can rent them. Susquehanna River, Pennsylvania, Chesapeake. Yeah. This goes down to Chesapeake. Cool little point out here, Curry Point, dedicated to Senator Franklin Curry. Pretty cool. What a beautiful day out here. Holy cow. It's pretty.
Either way, we're going to end up there. The last ride is a good one. Okay.
Snyder's. That's where we ate lunch today. Pretty cool place, all downtown. set up. This is actually the last night that we're here. We just got back from our Susquehanna, I don't know how you pronounce that river that we went to. We just got back from that this afternoon, and tonight's our last night, and getting the fire set up out here. But I wanted to show you this campsite. They are set up a little bit different. They are set up where your campfires are between the two sides, so you back in, and your campfire and where you set your picnic tables, most people do, is in the back here. I've never seen it, and I really didn't care for it at first because I felt like you kind of lost some of your privacy. You know, normally you would have your fire pit and your picnic table, everything up here, but it actually gives you kind of a sense of community, and I think that's different. You can see all the fire pits are in the middle, and they've got some grassy section up there, but all the fire pits and all the picnic tables down here in the middle. Now, this past weekend, this place was completely packed. There were kids out here playing. Everybody was on the inside here, and I really liked it. It was a little different. I didn't think I would, but it's really nice. Those on that side of the street are the same way. The campfires are on the inside, on the back side of everything. So here's Blossom and Bruno coming out. But we're getting a fire set up tonight. We're gonna put steaks on the grill tonight, and so yeah, this is going to be our last night here. We're going to pack up in the morning and get home, and we actually have a showing of the house at some point. I got to call them. They're pretty flexible, and we are too. We got to get some stuff done. We were thinking Sunday, but there's a chance I got somebody coming to pick up the Camaro on Saturday, so I may not be able to get as much done as we want to get done. So we'll see how that goes, but this all ties into our retirement plan and the timeline, and getting back and get ready for that. This is our last camping trip of the 2026 season. Last one. The next camping trip should be retired, and we should be able to do this as long as we want, or as long as we can stand it. Not sure where we'll be. There's a lot that's got to happen between now and time of next June. So, and it all depends on when the house sells too. So we've got some flexibility there because we do have this. If the house sells earlier than we expected, we do have this to stay in, and that's an option. But we'll see. We got a lot of work to do when we get back. We got a sale coming up here in October. We're going to have a pre-moving sale. Try to sell this first wave of stuff that hasn't sold on Marketplace. And then we'll have another moving sale at the very end after the house sells, and then all the furniture and stuff. But yeah, things are moving along. Summer's gone by fast, and getting ready for fall and winter setting in. And we'll get a lot of stuff done between now and then, and hopefully make this transition into retirement and move a lot easier. So hopefully you continue to join us along the journey here, and give some encouragement down there. Make a comment, and reach out to us, and let us know if you've gone through this or something similar, or thinking about going through it. Let us know. What are some of the things that you're thinking about and planning for? So let us know. We appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, take the time to hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it, and y'all take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
What's up, YouTube?
Senior Wilderness Explorers Landry and Sahara here. Today we got a trampoline next to a pool, so you already know what's about to happen.